Okay, hey, seventh graders. There's been a little bit of confusion, I think, in terms of what you need to do for this assignment that we have. The one regarding the legislative branch. All you need to do is just go into Canvas, and you just need to click on executive branch. That's going to take you right into the video, and then you can just answer the questions right there in Canvas. You don't need to try to put them into an email. Please be aware that question number 7 is a two-part question. There's 2 questions there, and some people are only giving me one answer, so make sure you're doing both parts. If I replied that you did that, I need you to correct that, please. A few people tried to go right into quizzes and tried to take that, and there were some issues with it, and I'm pretty sure I got that fixed, so hopefully you can do that now. This is pretty new for me, so right now I realize that what I'm having to do is not taking real long, but do know that that's going to change. Now, I'm not going to say that you're going to all of a sudden have like 2 hours worth of stuff, but it will be more. And when you do the executive department video, that one is going to take a little longer, and there's some quizzes with that. So you've been doing a good job about reaching out to me. If you have any questions, contacting me through email. So can continue to do that, and hopefully this little video has cleared up any questions that you have or any issues that you're running into. Okay, so we'll see you later.